In this video, we'll talk about anti-aging supplements. Today, it's possible to find almost any form of supplements, be it enzymes, hormones, vitamins, or minerals. Supplements for various health and beauty purposes are readily available, and so are those that aid in reducing the signs of aging. While it's always better to opt for natural methods through improving diet, supplements can speed up the journey to looking more youthful. Supplements, when taken with care and precaution, can be very beneficial to attaining numerous health benefits. Some of the more well-known supplements available for aging issues include the following options. Melatonin. Melatonin, also called the sleep hormone, is a hormone produced by the body to regulate the sleep cycle. However, it has now been determined to have age-reversing properties too. It is said to act on a cellular level, working on DNA to guard it against disease and illnesses that come with age. It helps in protecting various body organs like the heart, and also helps delay the onset of various diseases like diabetes mellitus. The basic property that makes it effective for reverse aging is that it scavenges free radicals from the body and prevents them from harming healthy cells in the body tissues. As the body gets more prone to disease and mutation with age, the chances of free radicals exerting harmful effects also increases. Melatonin supplements can help reduce this probability. Testosterone. Testosterone is a steroid hormone produced by the body in both males and females. In females, it's produced in negligible amounts, whereas in males, it is produced in much greater amounts. This is necessary for the development of their secondary sexual characteristics. For men, testosterone supplements can help a lot with reverse aging. It affects their overall well-being, and its increased levels, the same as those in their youth, help them keep younger. It keeps their energy level and sex drive high and also increases muscle mass. Estrogen and progesterone. Estrogen and progesterone are female steroid hormones. They are also produced by the male body, but in negligible amounts. All women start feeling the effects well before their menopause, be it hot flashes or mood swings. Even the very thought of their approaching menopausal period is enough for women to genuinely get depressed that they are aging. Estrogen and progesterone can help with specific aging issues. These hormones help women maintain their sexual drive, physical and mental well-being, and an overall youthful appearance. Various plants and herbs have very high contents of estrogen. When these are incorporated in diet, they can have age-defying effects. However, estrogen supplements are also easily available and are completely safe given they are not taken excessively. Fish oil capsules. Fish oils are the best source of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. These have natural anti-inflammatory properties that play a vital role in any anti-aging regime. These omegas help the body in regulating its various functions, including blood pressure, maintenance of body temperature, and proper functioning of the heart. Omega fatty acids essentially help keep the heart young by ensuring that it is strong enough to function properly and prevent the clotting of blood under normal circumstances. In fact, fish oil for supplements are also advised by physicians to heart patients for prevention of any further cardiac problems. But the benefits don't stop here. Fish oils also have a significant anti-aging impact on the brain. They prevent the development of brain diseases and also help the brain maintain its thinking abilities, which normally reduces with growing age. Fish oils also have been found to protect against dementia and other memory-related disorders. Fish oil capsules can take off years from your face too. They help healthy skin cells live longer and reduce the probability of damage to these cells, keeping the skin vibrant and youthful. Alpha-lipoic acid. Alpha-lipoic acid supplements can be very helpful when you want to stop the signs of aging. Alpha-lipoic acid also has antioxidant properties that find and destroy free radicals in the body. The antioxidant property of alpha-lipoic acid is more potent than the other supplements because it destroys free radicals from any part of the body. Alpha-lipoic acid can cross the blood-brain barrier, exerting its effects on the brain and protecting against age-related diseases like dementia. Another effect that makes it ideal for reverse aging is that it lengthens telomeres. Telomeres are parts on DNA strands directly responsible for cellular aging. They act as protective caps at the end of each strand, without which the strands would become damaged and the cells no longer able to do their job properly. Telomeres have the tendency to shorten as an individual ages. Eventually, they may become too short to do their jobs properly and cause the cells to age. So essentially, longer telomeres are markers of healthy cells, while shorter ones are connected to premature cellular aging. By supplementing with alpha lipoic acid, you can ensure that your telomeres stay in optimal health and delay the onset of premature aging. Resveratrol. Resveratrol is a compound naturally found in grapes and nuts. Its age-reversing properties are not limited to just skin alone, but may help keep age-related disorders at bay as well. The primary mechanism by which resveratrol does this is by acting on a group of enzymes called sirtuins. Sirtuins are enzymes that affect various metabolic pathways of the human body that are involved in the aging process. Research has shown resveratrol stimulating these proteins directly, increasing mitochondrial activity, which results in producing energy within the cells. This, in turn, can have the effect of extending cellular life. Also, being a naturally occurring type of antibiotic, resveratrol can work to cleanse the body of pollutants and other contaminants. Among other things, this action is also beneficial for keeping the skin healthier, fresher, and youthful. The same can also prevent future wrinkles and reduce the appearance of existing ones. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring substance found in the skin that keeps the skin looking young and makes it glow. It works primarily by helping the skin retain moisture and stay well hydrated. This ensures that all the extra water you are drinking to keep your skin healthy stays within the skin. With age, the skin automatically loses its ability to retain water, losing hydration and elasticity. This increases wrinkles and fine lines on the face. Hyaluronic acid slows down this process to a great degree, keeping the skin firm and supple. Collagen. There are supplements available with collagen itself, but there are also questions whether ingesting collagen is any use at all. Research shows that it is. Collagen is a complex protein that is naturally produced by the body and consists of 19 amino acids. Collagen has different types, but the one found in the skin is type 1. Collagen makes the skin stronger and thicker, making it less prone to damage and disease. It helps keep the skin hydrated and reduces wrinkles, freckles, and scars. Glucosamine. Glucosamine is a substance that keeps the connective tissues of the body strong and healthy. Supplements containing glucosamine are effective for anti-aging too. It helps the regeneration of skin cells so that old and worn-out cells that give the skin a dull appearance are replaced by new cells for vibrant and younger skin. This cell renewal process helps in replacing wrinkly and dull skin with even skin that has much fewer wrinkles. It helps in the exfoliation of skin that can even reverse wrinkles and fine lines already present in the face. Carnosine. Carnosine supplements are very effective in anti-aging. Carnosine itself is a compound that inhibits the breakdown of proteins in the skin. This includes collagen and other proteins that are essential for the vitality of the skin. It reduces the chances of premature aging. It's one of the antioxidants that fights free radicals and prevents them from damaging the skin. So, to conclude, it's important that you maintain smart dietary and lifestyle habits to achieve successful reverse aging. Just remember that it is the biological clock we are trying to manipulate and not the chronological one. So, taking things one at a time, make small changes that will help you improve your overall health while also reclaiming your youth and vitality.
I just cannot stop talking about the red tea detox system. My friends are so tired of me bringing it up, and my husband finally agreed to try it just to get me to shut up about it. Well, and he saw the wonders it worked for me, and he loves it. So it was really a godsend for me and my family. And I just cannot believe an entire African tribe was sitting on this amazing secret for so long. So where do I even begin with describing it? It's so simple to follow, and I never got confused about what I was supposed to be doing on that day. Liz makes sure to explain everything you need to know so that you never get tangled up with it. And I was a little worried about the tea at first, but once I actually tried it, I was actually blown away at how delicious it was. And plus, Liz gives you loads of different ways to prepare it, so I never got bored with it. Tea lattes, smoothies, slushies, even popsicles are all included. But most importantly of all, the red tea detox actually really truly works. And not just a little, it worked a lot. And I've been on it for over a month now, and I'm already down 22 pounds. Yeah, 22 pounds. And as a mother of 2 young kids, I really couldn't be any happier than I am with this diet. Ever since starting a family, I haven't had a whole lot of time for exercise, and my days are a whirlwind of extracurricular activities, carpooling, keeping the house clean, and preparing meals. So when I finally got a free second, I really don't want to spend it on my feet. And beyond that, there simply isn't enough time in the day to make a separate breakfast, lunch, and dinner for myself along with everyone else's. So the red tea detox solved both of those problems for me. I could exercise when I wanted to, but it wasn't required, and I could still eat most of the same meals my family was having. No double cooking, and that means more time to do what I love most, and that's spending time with my beautiful family.